In today's video, we are going to talk about signs of bad battery in your mobile phone. So when you notice any of these signs in your mobile battery, just know that your battery is bad and is due for changing or replacing. Certainly, a bad or failing battery in a mobile phone can cause a wide range of issues that negatively impact the device performance and usability. Now, here are the signs of bad battery in a mobile phone. Number one, fast battery drain. One of the most noticeable signs of a bad battery is rapid battery drainage. You may notice that your phone loses charge much quicker than it used to be, even with minimal use. Why it happens? Over time, a battery capacity diminishes, meaning it cannot hold as much charge as once did. This leads to quicker discharge. Battery drain can also occur due to inefficient energy usage by the phone app or system. The next sign of bad battery is battery not charging properly. Another sign is that the battery struggles to charge or charge very slowly. You might plug it in, but the percentage may not increase at all. For example, when you plug your phone like around 2 o'clock, and your phone is 10%, you come back around 3, you still see 10 or 20%. Don't know that that battery is bad. The next sign of bad battery is that battery percentage fluctuate or jump erratically. If you notice that the battery percentage fluctuates rapidly or jump from 40 to 20, then back to 50, this is a clear sign that your battery is bad. Your battery is not functioning again. So you need to change that battery. Another sign of bad battery is your phone will overheat. So a phone that overheats regularly, even under light use, can be a sign that the battery is bad. So overheating can occur while charging or even when the phone is in use without charging. The next sign of bad battery is battery swells or expand. This is a most severe and dangerous sign. A battery that swells can be visibly seen to expand, causing the phone to have a bulky back cover. And sometimes it might even make your screen to pull out. So when you know something like this, just change that battery sharp, sharp before it destroy your phone or before it explode and spoil some components in your mobile phone. The next one is your phone will shut down unexpectedly. If your phone shut down unexpectedly or randomly, especially when the battery shows a decent charge, for example, shutting off at 50 or 80%, it might be a sign of bad battery. The next one is phone take longer to charge. A phone with a bad battery may take much longer to charge than normal. Even when plugged in for an extended period of time, it might not reach the expected charge level. If, for example, your phone usually charge full around 2 hours, you plug your phone now like for 6 hours, your phone is just showing 40, 30%. Just know that your phone battery is bad. The next one is battery charge quickly but drain quickly. You may observe that phone charge quickly, but once it reaches a certain level or a certain percent, for example 50 or 40%, it starts draining just as quickly as it was charging. Just know that your phone battery is bad. The next one is battery not holding a charge after charging. If your phone discharges almost immediately after it is fully charged, even with light use, this indicates that your phone battery is bad. The next one is battery percentage show inaccurate information. If the phone battery percentage indicator shows an unrealistic charge level, example, jumping from 100 to 5 or staying at a constant number of percent in a long period of time, just know that your battery is bad. This is a red flag. The next one is warning message and notification. Some smartphone will display a warning message such as battery health is degraded, battery not charging properly, or battery need to be replaced. Just know that your battery is bad. Replace it quickly. The next one is phone become unresponsive or laggy or sluggish. If your phone become unresponsive, freezes or lags often, even when running simple tasks, this is a sign of bad battery. Just know that your battery have issue. The next one is phone only work when plugged in. Yes, this is the common sign. If your phone will only function when plugged into a charger and immediately shut down once unplugged, it is a sign of bad battery. Oga, go and change that battery. That is a sign of bad battery. The next one is screen flickering or dimming. Yes, in some cases, a failing battery can cause issue with screen brightness or flickering, especially when the phone is under heavy use or charging. So these are some of the signs of bad battery in your mobile phone. So in my next video, we'll be talking about what are the causes of bad battery, what are the reasons behind a battery failing or showing some of these signs we included in the video. I will answer that question in my next video. Bye. I hope